pero donde algunos hubieran dicho, ya está, fin.
It was only 3 seconds. Only 3 seconds were enough to know that someday I get there and see it. The Mae Klong Market is very close to Bangkok, and many are moving there because it's located on the railroad tracks and is unique in the world.
So lately, been wondering who will be there to take my place when I'm gone. You'll need love to light the shadows of your face.
The trains go through the market 8 times a day, which leads to wonder why they have not taken the market there. But it seems that sellers were before the train, and Thais, who must be very stubborn, decide to keep it, even with the hassle of having to disassemble everything and reassemble it every time the train honks. The station from which the convoy departs is on the other side of the street, only just 10 meters. So, because the train has not reached its great speed, it has been able to maintain this market that occupies the first 200 meters of the route. The truth is, I wasn't disappointed. My life and love might still go on. You're mine. I'll stay with you for all the time. If I could, then I would. I'd go wherever you will go. Way up high or down low. I'd go wherever you will go. If I could turn back time, I'd go wherever you will go. If I could make you mine, I'd go wherever you will go. I'd go wherever you will go. It's only 2 minutes, but just for those 2 minutes, it's worth half the world. Get there and experience the feeling of watching the train pass through the Mae Klong Market.